Hey designers, let's create this text animation. It adds a very interesting element to your poster, giving it a great vibe. Let's start by creating a new composition. I've chosen a 1000 width by 1000 height composition. Go to Layer and create a new solid first. This will be our background. Choose a color of your preference for the background. I'm selecting this yellow color. After that, go to the project and import your main file. I'm importing this ice cream PNG. It's a large image. We'll scale it down accordingly. Press S on your keyboard and scale it down like this. I will lock these layers because I won't be making any adjustments or edits to them. Okay, so the next step is to take the type tool and write your text here. Align this text on the canvas. Adjust the font size, and the font color. Let's give it a pink color. Okay, let's see. I think the color is too dark, so let's give it a very light pink color. I think this looks good now. With this text layer selected, take the pen tool and start making a shape like this. I'm going to create a random shape surrounding this ice cream and this hand. A very random line that just surrounds this ice cream like this. Okay, so the shape is done. Now go to the options of these layers. Go to Text Options, then Path Options, and here change the path from None to Mask 1. Okay, now you will see that the text has come on that line that we have just created. So if your text comes in a flipped version, what you need to do is turn on the reverse path. I won't be doing it because my text comes out fine. So, now what you need to do is, in the last margin value, make the text come on the left bottom, where the start of the text is happening. It should just touch the bottom area. After that, we don't want the other area of the line to be empty, so what we're going to do here is take the type tool and click here. I will first type a dot here, and then paste the same text, Lost in Vanilla Delight. I'm going to do it a couple of times. Let's change the margin value to the point where the last text is. Where Delight is written in the right bottom. Okay, this is it. So here, what we're going to do is add a keyframe at this point. Now move a few frames forward. We're going to change it later on. So for right now, I'm going to place it at 10 seconds. If we think that it is slower or faster, we're going to change it later on. Now move the value again to the point where the lost text was written on the left bottom. See where it is. Okay, this is the point where the lost text is. Now let's see the animation. Okay, cool, but the animation is moving very fast. So what we will do is click on this keyframe and move it to the 25-second frame to make it slower. Perfect. Let's close these options. We will give this text a stroke. Now, for that, first let's close these options to have this area clean. Then right-click on this type tool. Go to Layer Styles, and click on the stroke option. Okay, so here you have the stroke. Click on it to open its options. Make the color white and adjust the size of the stroke. Let's make it bigger. Okay, good. After this is done, we will add one more effect to this background layer. So first, unlock this background layer. Go to Effects and Presets, and here, type CC Light Rays. Drag and drop it onto this yellow solid layer. Increase the intensity of this. And let's keep it centered here, like this. Okay, good. Increase the softness and the radius. After that, click on the stopwatch near the radius while your bar is on the first frame. Decrease the radius. Then click on the stopwatch near it. Then move a few frames forward and increase the radius of it. It is a very minimal effect that we have applied here. So let's see the animation now. Good. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, please like it, comment on this video, and subscribe to Ace Designs.